To make omurice, you'll need to prepare fried rice and a thin omelet separately. Then cover the fried rice in the omelet before serving. First, gather your fried rice ingredients: 4 ounces of diced chicken, 1/2 a small onion chopped, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of olive oil, 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of frozen green peas, 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters diced carrot, 1/8 teaspoon, 0.6 milliliters of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon, 0.6 milliliters ground black pepper, 2 cups, 500 milliliters cooked short grain white rice, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of soy sauce. Heat the oil in a medium skillet or wok over medium-high heat. As the oil heats up, rotate the pan to coat the entire bottom and all sides. Add the chopped onion and cook, stirring frequently, until most of the onion has visibly softened. This is about 2 to 4 minutes. Next, add the chicken and cook for several minutes, stirring frequently until no visible pink remains on any side. Add the carrots, peas, and salt and pepper to the pan and stir until the vegetables have softened. Add the cooked rice and mix everything together until evenly distributed, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the ketchup and soy sauce and stir until well combined. Remove the pan from the heat and set the rice aside while you make your omelet. For your omelet, whisk together 3 large eggs and 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of milk into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of olive oil to a clean skillet or wok and heat over medium-high heat. Pour half of the egg mixture into the hot pan, then lower the heat to medium-low and allow the eggs to cook until it no longer appears runny. Once the egg mixture has mostly set, spread half of the fried rice down the center of the set omelet. Use a spatula to gently lift both sides of the omelet and fold it in towards the middle. Then flip the omurice onto a plate. Repeat the process with the remaining egg and rice mixture for your second omurice. Add any additional toppings like ketchup and enjoy.